Ayan, as you can see sa 7.7 following. So, gagawin natin ito. Ayan, para maging 0 following. Punta lang tayo dito. Settings. Ayan, proceed tayo sa settings. Hanapin natin yung settings, guys. Ayan. So, punta tayo sa privacy checkup. Yan. Tapos, who can see what you share. Ayun. And then, continue. Ganun lang kasimple. At tapos, roll down natin. Ayan, only me. Who can see people page and list you follow. So, check natin. Ayan na yung lalabas. 0 following. Okay? Don't forget to share. Ayan, may natutunan na naman kayo ha. God bless you po. God bless you sa inyong lahat.